In this tutorial we will focus on the auto-rigging tool Mixamo provides for rigging a humanoid character. Log into the site using your credentials. Logging in, click on Upload Character button. Provide the path to FBX or OBJ file containing the human mesh. If you want all textures applied to your character, create a zip file containing all the textures and mesh. Press Next button. You will then see markers, which are basically points which you need to place on the corresponding body joints to the character mesh on the right. So, the chin marker will go to chin like so. The marker can be precisely placed on the body using the mini window that shows the zoomed location of marker. Then we complete the elbow, placing it correctly. We then press Next button after all markers have been placed. This will start the auto-rigging process, which will at most take couple of minutes. So we will press Next button. This will take you to the main Mixamo page where you can apply animations to your character. To import Mixamo characters and animations, please refer to my tutorial, the link of which is provided in description below. Download the character, and when we import it into Blender, we can see the bones applied by Mixamo Auto Rigger. Subscribe, like, comment and share my channel for more fun videos, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.